Well, the commission was put into an ordinance and passed by the commissioners as a way of kind of bringing together all of the historic aspects of the county, both for people, but also buildings, sites, all of the things that go together to help us remember who we are and where we came from.
They wanted someone from the museum to be an ex officio member of the committee, someone who doesn't vote but is there to give their input. And I got nominated and approved, so I represent the museum at the commission meetings.
So we've been working together, and I think the museum and the society is very significant. Getting kids involved in the area that they grow up in, and also in the interactions of people that they grow up in, gives them a confidence, a sense of place, a sense of well-being, and I think it's really significant. So the trunk program is just really super.
I'm Danielle Robbins, and I'm the Cowlitz County Historical Museum's Education and Public Programs Coordinator. I go into classrooms with hands-on objects, activities, and things like that, and I present to the classrooms. The objects I take with are things like I have a salmon rattle that was carved for the first salmon ceremony, and then we make paper versions of that where we put rattles inside kids can play with afterwards. The traveling trunk is very important to our area because a lot of kids wouldn't have the chance to come to museums. I've had many teachers actually tell me how grateful they are that I actually can come into their classroom and do the traveling trunks, because the kids in their community just don't have the resources to come and do field trips to visit museums or other historical sites. So it's their one and only opportunity to really get a feel for history. So trying to just pare it down to their level, something that they can understand, it's a challenge, but it's also very rewarding. This program would not be possible without this wonderful partnership between the county and the Historical Society coming together to reach out to our community and to make learning available for everyone.
I think the trunk program really is a way of getting kids kind of interested, you know? That makes a big difference.
I'm sharing my passion and my love for history with them, and as they grow up, hopefully they won't just think of history as being the boring things you have to read in the books, but the exciting stories of real people who lived and came before us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
And so I think working together with all of these people really is going to make a difference in the long run. I'm looking forward to continuing.
This partnership works really well.